gotta go get a napkin. Can I pause this actually? Yeah, I'll do it after. It starts off on this? What?
My master. Safe. The scriptures. Sound. All I ever wanted was a life in my mountain, free from you and your so-called merits. Those high above don't trust me. I understand that. And they send you and those knuckleheads to threaten me, to obey and serve once more. I understand that too. But what I don't understand is you bastards killing my kind!
Stay back! Stupid dog! Mark this. He's not just any monkey. He's a monkey of merit. A monkey was made Buddha once. None other than me can challenge him to a duel. Look, monkey. I don't make a habit of fighting someone I've bested before. Here's my offer. If you lose, I'll take you to the Celestial Court. They will stay and level your mountain. But if I lose, I shall certainly take revenge, and they will level your mountain nonetheless. How tragic would that be, huh? You are one of the court. We don't need to resort to violence. How about you bend the knees, admit the wrongs, and we can put this behind us.
You're so tough. I love that armor so much.
All these years, except for that pig, you're the one who talks the tallest tales. Good, I am entertained. Speaking of entertainment, wouldn't it be fun if I pluck your extra eye out for my snack and allow you to keep the other two? Because I'd hate to let you miss how I'll slaughter each mongrel of the court. Those below, those above, and that black mutt of yours. Come at me, all of you.
We'll lose this fight 100%. I'm pretty sure we start off, yeah, and I don't. I'm playing mouse and keyboard, yeah. What the f?
You spurn each one. Such ingratitude.
Okay, hold on. GG's. I don't. What am I clicking? Give me a second. God, I have to learn as I go. Like, what? I'm just visible. This is going to be. I'm so. Awesome. I don't know.
The victorious fighting Buddha.
No, it's got rid of the lock on. I don't have a health bar, which I find God to because, you know, I really can't die. Like, I'm getting my oh my God!
The Celestial Court welcomed you, foul monkey, yet you remain untamed. None shall save you now.
Dear brother, your edge needs honing. Good. I was in need of a back scratcher.
So when I go invisible, I get like a perfect dodge or something. So I mean, that's what it looks like.
And so ends the last tale of Sun Wukong, a hero who treasured his freedom above all else. Buddhahood he attained, yes, but cumbersome he found the celestial rules, for he yearned to come back and to revel in the simple joys with us. Little did he know, his choice to forgo the life above only fueled their mistrust. This stone has stood for countless days on the mountain. Since my youth, they've said that his remains lie within it, unbegotten, undying. Such is the nature of a stone monkey. Though his body was broken, his spirit endures. Into 6 relics he turned, and separately they escaped, choosing to stay hidden. Those are the 6 senses of the great sage, yet no one has ever seen them, not in centuries. I'm old now. Venture through all the lands I cannot. Yet among you, there might be one who is destined. One that shall recover all his scattered relics, and upon the return of the relics to Mount Wukong, he may yet rise again.
Bend the toe, life of human or for gold. Nowhere better than a home. Reach death and ever grow. Huh? Here, you see, What bliss my fate
Well,
shows.
luck's around the corner. Seems like he just fell from a fruit tree here.
Perfect timing. This peach knew I needed a snack. You sneaky rascal! Dad fooled me! I'll make sure you regret it!
What the happened? What the bro?
No matter how many times you come around, you're still as mischievous as ever.
What you waiting for? Pluck your hair and make an offer. I, the keeper of Black Wind Mountain, have long been waiting for your arrival.
He looks ugly.
His spitting image, I'd say. Up ahead is Guan Yin Temple. Once it was bustling with worshippers, before it was ruined by that fire. Then the temple was rebuilt. What good is it to rebuild a temple if the goodwill of men has been burnt to ashes? You've forgotten this place, but they haven't forgotten you. That's a tough one. Good luck to you.
Damn. Well, he got a bit of health. Ah, damn. Oh, I never even... Oh my god. The perfect dodge. Alright. What's this my gourd fell? I drank twice because I thought I didn't drink once. Not mean to do that. What the?
It's been a while, but the immobilized spell still works like a charm.
Is that the first spell he teaches me? That's so goated.
Since you hail from Mount Huaguo, it won't hurt to teach you a handy trick.
Oh, dude, I thought my game froze.
You'll be able to hold them in place while giving yourself a breather. Sadly, mine is but a humble trick, though it's good enough against boneheads like this one. Anyway, just consider it an ace up your sleeve. Fear not, teach him a lesson with your new spell!
Oh my god! Oh my god! What is that?
Hey, wait! You don't think you can just parade in, do you? It's not that simple. Let me transform you into a golden cicada so you may follow the fires ahead and scout this mountain unnoticed. Fly!
That's what a cicada looks like? I've never seen a cicada before.
My shrine is very versatile. You'll get it soon. In the depths of Black Wind Mountain, there are secrets galore. The cicada form, they help you explore. This form does not last.
There's anything left inside.
Should you find yourself lost, just follow my voice. Now, off you go.
Awesome. Oh, is that what that blue bar is, man? Oh, bro, that means I can only use it a certain amount of times. Oh, wow, there's another one, too. Oh, I didn't dodge it in time. I'll come back later. I'm pretty sure it gives me something, too. I think it gives me something, like, good or something. Maybe something like bubble up or something, I don't know. Or a boss is there.
Keep quiet. You don't want to set off that beast. In the backyard is Black Wind Guai's ally. Calls itself Linkshutsa. Considering your strength, I suggest you get away while you can, little monkey.
We'll go back down to that one boss.
Another monkey, I see. Why don't you lay down your weapon and join me in Buddha's mercy? What say you?
I say, let me go grab that one thing that was over here. Please. Let me grab whatever's over there. Right behind you, you asshole. No! What?
Master spoke of you, the destined one.
Do I just take his weapon? It's a fucking ability. Never mind.
You just had to make some noise, did you? Now everyone knows you're here.
Oh, my bad.
So grand echoes in the forest, Yao Guais will surely be alarmed. Once you pass that gate, there's no turning back.
He's actually easy as hell.
Long bound by worldly cage, now free in age. Have you seen those nameless souls adrift on your path? Their wheels float aloft, never to fade. Shame, your god serves little purpose, and mine answers solely to me. I know a way to guide the souls, mend their paths, and set them free. It will aid you. Now, this is better. This god, though humble, may save the lost.
What did he do?
This humble one's name is Guangmo. Should my demise come by your hands,
Oh, the boss already?
please
Damn.
pass this message to my master. Searching for deity, mortals do aspire. Craving immortality, Yao Guais surely
Backwards.
will.
conspire!
Oh, Jaguars? What he said? I wasn't paying attention.
Boys, greet our visitor.
What the hell? Oh.
Boys, keep him.
No, please don't. Holy shit, thank God.
My master is possession obsessed. You are just like him.
Guanju, I remember now. The evil monks abetted Elder Jincha to burn the great sage and Tongue Monk alive. That's these two. I thought they were already turned into ashes by that fire. Who would have thought they had turned into Yaoguais? I have an ominous feeling. After the bell rang, it seems as though the resentment in the depths of the mountain has grown. Ah, forget it. Overthinking won't help. Your presence has already made a mess in the mountain. Why not go ahead? Take them out, once and for all.
Give them a drubbing!
I'm stuck in the floor.
These snake guys are nothing. Snake gall steeped in drink, though, makes a fine tonic to flush malady. Here, here, young friend. Be my guest inside.
I took one step. At least give me a warning.
Past's grip beyond our grasp. The future we may still clasp. Late is the hour, young one, in which you choose to stain my tranquil abode. Pray tell, to what end do you seek?
Seek an end to this fucking boss fight.
水の呼吸一の型水面切り